Welcome back to my video. In this video, we are going to learn what is nmapping and how to check the status of target machine. Before going to check the status of target machine, I am going to explain you what is nmap. Nmap uses raw IP packets in novel ways to determine what hosts are available on the network and what operating system they are running and what type of packets, filters, firewalls are in use. So now coming back to my termex, now I am going to check the status of target machine. Most of the attackers try to gather the information of any server by using nmap. So now I am going to install nmap by typing apt install nmap. It's going to take some time for installation, but now I have already installed, and now I am going to take the help of nmap by typing nmap h and then pressing enter. Okay, now here you can see some of the options and commands related to the nmap. By using these options, I am going to check the status of server. Next I am typing nmap s capital P. SP is a ping scanning. Next I am going to enter my IP address 192.168.1.1/24. This can type list the hosts within the specified range that responds to the ping. It allows you to detect which computers are online rather than which ports are open. So this is how attacker try to check the status of targeted machine. That's all in this video. Thank you.